In Orangeburg, where the climate can fluctuate between hot summers and cooler winters, maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home can be a challenge. One of the most effective upgrades you can make to enhance your home's energy efficiency is replacing old windows with vinyl windows. These windows are known for their excellent insulation properties and durability, making them an ideal choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. In this article, we'll explore how vinyl windows can significantly improve energy efficiency in your Orangeburg home, helping you stay comfortable year-round while lowering your utility bills. Superior insulation for temperature control. One of the key reasons vinyl windows improve energy efficiency is their superior insulation properties. The material used in vinyl frames, often filled with air or foam insulation, helps to prevent heat transfer, keeping your home's interior temperature stable. This insulation is crucial in both summer and winter. Summer benefits. During the hot summer months in Orangeburg, vinyl windows help keep cool air inside your home and block hot air from entering. This means your air conditioning system won't need to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, which can lead to significant energy savings. Winter benefits. In the winter, vinyl windows help trap heat inside, preventing drafts and heat loss through the windows. This keeps your heating system from overworking, allowing it to maintain a consistent temperature without consuming excessive energy. By keeping your home's temperature stable, vinyl windows reduce the need for continuous heating and cooling, which can lower your energy consumption and reduce your energy bills. Low thermal conductivity for better insulation. Vinyl is a low thermal conductivity material, which means it doesn't easily conduct heat. This is an essential characteristic for an energy-efficient window. In comparison to other window materials like wood or aluminum, vinyl does not transfer heat as efficiently, which helps to insulate your home better. Heat resistance. Vinyl's ability to resist heat transfer makes it an excellent choice for reducing energy loss through your windows. Even on days when outdoor temperatures reach extreme highs or lows, vinyl windows ensure that your indoor temperature remains unaffected, maintaining comfort inside your home. Less condensation. The superior insulating properties of vinyl windows also help reduce condensation. This is especially important in Orangeburg's humid climate, where moisture can accumulate on windows, leading to mold growth and deterioration. Vinyl's resistance to moisture helps keep your windows dry and free from condensation, which further contributes to improved air quality and comfort inside your home. Energy-efficient glass options. Another factor that contributes to the energy efficiency of vinyl windows is the ability to choose advanced energy-efficient glass options. Modern vinyl windows can be fitted with double-glazed or triple-glazed glass, both of which provide superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-glazed glass. Double-glazed windows feature two layers of glass with an insulating layer of air or gas in between. This extra layer of protection helps to prevent heat transfer, keeping your home's interior temperature more consistent. Double-glazed windows are especially effective in reducing both heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Low E glass. Low emissivity, low E, glass is another energy-efficient option that can be added to vinyl windows. Low-E glass is coated with a special film that reflects heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature by reflecting excess heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. Argon or krypton gas. Many vinyl windows are filled with argon or krypton gas, which are inert gases that improve the window's insulating performance. These gases are denser than air, providing an additional barrier to heat transfer. This further enhances the energy efficiency of vinyl windows, making them ideal for homes in areas with fluctuating temperatures like Orangeburg. Reduced drafts and air leaks. A significant source of energy loss in many homes is air leaks around old, improperly sealed windows. Drafts can allow warm or cool air to escape, causing your heating and cooling system to work harder than necessary. Vinyl windows are designed with better seals and weather stripping to prevent drafts, ensuring that your home stays airtight and energy efficient. Tight seals. Vinyl windows are known for their ability to create a tight seal around the window frame. This prevents air from leaking in or out, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. The high-quality seals on vinyl windows reduce the likelihood of drafts, which can cause your HVAC system to run constantly. Durability. Vinyl windows are highly resistant to warping, rotting, and cracking, which can lead to gaps that allow air to enter. Unlike wooden frames, vinyl does not shrink or swell with temperature changes, ensuring that the seal around the window remains tight for years to come. Long-term savings on energy bills. While the upfront cost of vinyl window installation may be higher than simply replacing your windows with older, inefficient models, the long-term savings make vinyl windows a wise investment. Lower utility bills. By improving your home's energy efficiency, vinyl windows help to reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. This leads to lower energy consumption and significant savings on utility bills over time. Increased home value. Upgrading to vinyl windows can also increase the resale value of your home. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient upgrades, making vinyl windows a smart choice if you plan to sell your home in the future. Conclusion. Upgrading to vinyl windows is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency in your Orangeburg home. The superior insulation properties, low thermal conductivity, energy-efficient glass options, and tight seals of vinyl windows help keep your home comfortable while reducing energy consumption. In addition to lowering your utility bills, vinyl windows also enhance the comfort of your living space, protect your home from drafts and moisture, and increase its value. If you're looking for a cost-effective, long-term solution to improve your home's energy efficiency, vinyl windows are an excellent choice.